What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly send or share a YouTube video through emails. So let's say you're on YouTube. I'm going to open up YouTube right here and I'm going to just select a video from my channel. So here's a video right on the channel. And let's say I would like to send this to someone via email. Right now, how do I actually do that? Just go ahead and click the share icon, and so once you're inside the share icon, you have multiple options, right? You can copy the link, which I'm going to do right here. I'm going to go here as well and go back in it. And from here, you can see that you have few options, right? You can copy the link and then paste it into the email, or you can just find the email where you'll find Gmail, for example. Do that, and you will have the from email, then you put the send to. So let's say I'm going to send to, let's say, Drew. Going to select email right here, let's say this email. And so once you attach that, you can now basically write whatever it is. But you can see right now that it automatically have the title of the email of the video and the link to the video right here. So that's one way. You hit send and that basically send. Now, another way, as I was sharing with you, is that you have the video open, you copy the link. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. So you click the share icon right here, copy the URL, and you do this by yourself. Simple means that you would open up your Gmail account, as you can see, and then from here you would choose compose right there, and you can now put the to person right there, and you have the rest of the email right there that you can compose yourself. So wasn't pasted in the right area, but now you can see that I can just say, hey, for example, watch this. Ensure that you paste it in the body, and then you can even press and hold as well. That gives you another option to paste the link. So if you don't see the URL automatically, then if you press and hold on your screen multiple times, doesn't matter when, once you press and hold, you will have the option to paste again, and you can paste the link wherever you want, however you want. And just ensure that you have the to, the from email is correct, and the to who you're sending it to, add the subject as well. For example, I'm going to say watch this, and that's pretty much all that I will have to do. And then you can hit send afterwards and send that YouTube video to whoever you want to send it to through email. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.